Excuse me, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please, my school uniform enter your compound. Let me and bring it.
Where is it?
Look at it for that side.
How did it enter my compound?
No, I wash it. I wash the uniform. And I get breeze not carry it and enter your compound.
Oh, you have to come inside and take it, please.
I should come inside.
Yes.
You that have dog.
The dog does not bite.
The dog does not bite.
Yes.
Nah, true. Sir, give me the uniform now.
Come and get it.
So if the dog wants to bite, will the dog tell you that he wants to bite?
What did you say?
Will the dog take permission from me that I want to bite? Sir, give me the uniform now. If I come inside there, you will not like me.
Then come inside.
No, you have dog. Give me. Give me. For not giving now. See.